To understand fire properly, we must first understand the fire triangle. Fire cannot exist on its own. Fire needs three essential elements to start and continue burning. 1. Heat. 2. Fuel. 3. Oxygen. When fuel reacts with oxygen in the presence of sufficient heat, a chemical reaction occurs and fire is produced. This reaction is called combustion, and it produces heat, light, smoke, and flames. These three elements, heat, fuel, and oxygen, together form what we call the fire triangle. Now, let's understand each element of fire. Heat is the source of ignition. It can come from sparks, open flames, electrical equipment, friction, or hot surfaces. Fuel is any material that can burn. It may be solid, liquid, or gas, such as wood, paper, petrol, oil, or natural gas. Oxygen usually comes from the air around us and it supports the burning process. For a fire to start and keep burning, all three elements must be present. If any one of these elements is removed, the fire will stop. For example, water removes heat by cooling the fire. Foam or carbon dioxide reduces oxygen around the fire. Removing the fuel source stops the fire from continuing. Here is an interesting fact. Humans need at least 19.5% oxygen in the air to survive safely. However, fire can continue burning with only about 16% oxygen. This means a fire can still burn in environments where humans may already be struggling to breathe. That is why understanding the fire triangle is the foundation of fire prevention and fire safety.